Hello! Selecting a polymeric insulation that is simultaneously resistant to sunlight, ozone, and chemicals has always been a concern for industry professionals. Foamiran EPDM foam, utilizing closed cell structure technology, provides a definitive solution to this need. This product not only maintains its elasticity within a temperature range of -40 to 130 degrees Celsius, but also, due to its impermeability to water, is considered an unrivaled option for sealing applications in the automotive, construction, and marine industries. Whether you are seeking a material for window sealing or for insulating industrial pipes, our EPDM foam guarantees long service life and stable performance in accordance with international standards. For technical consultation, dimension lists, and direct factory orders, contact Foamiran's experts today or complete the order form.
Foamiran, Iran's leading foam authority.